Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, as you can see, we got a knife review today, and it's by ESEE. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about what came in that box. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, as you saw by that opening and all that fun stuff, we're going to take a look at the ESEE Avispa, I hope I'm saying that right, frame lock. Now, before I go too much further, I got a little bit of housekeeping things I need to get out of the way. If you're going to like what you're going to see here in this video, please give a thumbs up. It's only going to show support for the channel. Now, if you're under the age of 13, please stop watching this video right now. I really don't want a COPPA violation because, well, you're using YouTube wrongly. And third, I want to take one moment and talk to you first-time viewers of the channel real quickly. I want to thank you so much for finding this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, if you look down below here somewhere, you're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over that, or click on it. Should bring you right to subscribe. There's going to be your first chance in order to get that done. Alrighty, guys, here she is in all her beauty. Sorry, I had to get the housekeeping out of the way. Now, I got this guy in a budget blade box from Poor Man's Preparing Prep box. I know, a lot of acronyms there, huh? A couple months ago. I like it. When I first got it, I instantly focused on rat instead of, well, ESEE. But still. Now, what really gets me is it's a Mike Perrin and Jeff Randall design. Basically, ESEE and rat combined to bring you this little beauty. I love how it feels in the hand. It is really lightweight, and it's just got a great feel to it. And yeah, as you can see right there, I've dinged it a couple times. I love it. It only has one huge drawback for me, and that's mine, and I'll get to it in a moment. Now, Avispa, I hope I'm saying that right, A-V-I-S-P-A, Avispa is Spanish for wasp. Don't know if that had a huge, impact in this design or what, but still. Now let's get to the fun stuff like we always do. It's got an overall length of 8.5 inches. The blade is about 3.5, and closed, it's 5. It weighs about 4.45 ounces. It's done in the drop point style, as you can see. It does have a plain edge, which I really prefer over serrations, and it does have a flat grind. Now, the steel on it, as you can see right there, is, well, AUS 8, and it's got the black finish. Now, the one scale is just a polymer scale. It has a stainless steel frame with the black coating, and I like is it's got a 4-position pocket clip, so you can carry it tip down, tip up, left hand, right hand carry. Now, here's the one huge drawback for me. It's got a frame lock. Not that that's the drawback, but mine, it really sticks in there. And you kind of have to really force it to the side to get it over. But still. Lanyard hole, dual thumb stud opener, a little bit of forward jimping here, and as you saw right back there, it is made in Taiwan. Alright, so let's do some of the fun stuff that we like to do here on the channel. Heavy duty stock paper. Let's see if we can get that little curly cue going. Well. Come here. Not too bad. I really don't see any yellow paper flakes on there. Alright. Paracord. Simple pull test. Right through it. Now let's just go through 2 for a slice test. No problem. And of course, as we usually interrupt, come on, you little bastard, our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, now, well, there we go. It's got a little bit of stuff there. No biggie. Overall, there really wasn't that much left on there. So, I took a look on esee.knives.com and even on OKC, the Oklahoma Knife Company, which does rat. I couldn't find it there. I found it over on Blade HQ for $34.95, no reviews, and over on Amazon for $38.47, and it had a 3.5 out of 5-star rating with 11 reviews. Guys, I gotta tell you, my only huge drawback with it is that frickin' frame lock, and the fact that it just, you've really got to force it on mine, you know, to get it shut. But here's the important part of the video, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. And yeah, I got them back today. Do you think it's nice? Or do you think this one's an F-bomb? Nice! Or an F-bomb? You know, I really want to know. I mean, other than that frame lockup part, I like this blade, and it's done pretty well for me since I've been carrying it. I mean, it's just one small little problem. But still, I know how it can affect the integrity of the blade and how it can affect other people's views on it. Okay, now with all that fun stuff being done, let's go ahead and hit that wrap up. Man, if you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I'm very, very grateful you gave me some of your time, and I hope I earned a lot more of it. If I didn't, thank you for that time you gave me. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down there. Right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and destroyed that button, please beat up the bell icon or the notification icon, whatever you want to call it, that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, two are going to be popping up, you know it, over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the ESEE Avispa. Hope I'm saying that right. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.